Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. I hope you all are doing well. Today I want to talk to you about something very close to all our hearts, living a life guided by the teachings of Islam. A life filled with purpose, peace, and fulfillment. In the world we live in, there is so much noise, social media, peer pressure, and society pull us in every direction, often making us feel lost, anxious, and disconnected. But Islam has given us a roadmap to live a life that is deeply meaningful and balanced. And today, I want to share some of that beautiful guidance that can transform our lives if we let it. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Actions are judged by intentions." This means that everything we do should have a pure intention behind it. In Islam, even the simplest acts like working or taking care of your family can become acts of worship if done with the right intention. So set your heart on good intentions. Ask yourself, why am I doing this? When we purify our intentions, we bring blessings into our lives and ultimately find peace in everything we do. Life is full of challenges. Sometimes it feels like nothing is going right, but Allah tells us in the Quran, indeed Allah is with the patient. Patience and sabr teaches us to trust Allah's plan even when we don't understand it. Be patient with your struggles, your goals, and your dreams. When you have patience, you are saying to Allah, I trust you. I know you are in control. This mindset brings an inner strength that keeps us moving forward no matter what life throws our way. Allah tells us in the Quran, if you are grateful, I will increase you. Gratitude transforms our perspectives. Instead of focusing on what we don't have, it reminds us of the countless blessings we do have. Every single day, find something to be grateful for. A grateful heart is a magnet for joy and blessings. When we start to appreciate the small things, our health, our family, even the roof over our heads, we realize how truly blessed we are. This attitude brings peace to our hearts and draws us closer to Allah. Islam teaches us to live balanced lives. We are taught not to go to extremes in everything, whether it's in our work, our worship, or our relationships. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized this balance, saying, your body has a right over you, your eyes have a right over you, and your family has a right over you. Strive to balance your work with your family time, your worship with your rest. Islam is a religion of moderation, and when we find balance, we find peace. In life, people will hurt us. Sometimes it's intentional, and other times it's not, but holding on to anger or grudges only harms us. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us to forgive others and let go. The strong person is not the one who throws his opponent to the ground, and strong person is the one who contains himself when he is angry. Forgiveness frees us. It's not always easy, but it's powerful. When we let go, we are no longer burdened by resentment and we allow ourselves to heal and move forward. Finally, remember that no matter what happens, Allah is always in control. We plan, we work hard, but the outcome is always in Allah's hand. Tawakkul or reliance on Allah gives us the courage to face whatever life brings because we know that everything happens for a reason. Put your trust in Allah when you have done your best. Leave the rest to Him. This will bring you a peace that nothing else can, because you'll know that whatever happens, Allah's wisdom is guiding you. So, my dear brothers and sisters, remember this. Living an Islamic life doesn't just make us better Muslims, it makes us better human beings. Set your intentions, be patient, stay grateful, live in balance, forgive, and always trust in Allah. These principles will not only bring you closer to Allah, but they will also bring true contentment, purpose, and peace to your life. Let's leave here today with a commitment to live a life that not only pleases Allah but also brings goodness to those around us. Let's make our lives a source of light, guidance, and inspiration. May Allah bless you all, and thanks for watching.